Hurricane Dorian is on its way, but I figured, hey, I've survived through 2 different hurricanes here at Central Florida. And what better way to ride out this storm than at Disney's Hollywood Studios? Oh, are you ready for the hurricane? It seems to be shifting, so I think we'll be okay, but you never know. These things have a mind of their own. I just hope you're safe. Just make sure you hop into Oscar's there, the super service, and hunker down, as they say. But I think Abby and I are gonna head over to Galaxy's Edge. Hi everybody, and welcome to the world of Micah. Today we're gonna be here at Disney's Hollywood Studios. We're gonna be taking a closer look at the first Saturday that Galaxy's Edge is open. You guys are gonna get to tag along. It's gonna be a ton of fun. Let's take a closer look. Let's take a closer look. Something definitely is brewing. As you can see, the clouds are moving very quickly. The wind is blowing, but it feels really good out here. There's a nice breeze. And here we are, the entrance to Galaxy's Edge. Opening weekend, first Saturday. It's about 10:30, almost 11 o'clock. See, the crowds really aren't that terrible. People are coming in and leaving. That's a good thing. If you see a bunch of people leaving, that means there's a good flow. Let's go in. Now, it is not my first time, but it is this lady's first time, and she's more of a Star Wars fan than I am. She always tells me things. I'll always act like I know about Star Wars, but if there's something that I don't know about, I'll be like, what's that? And she tells me, keeps me in check.
Yeah, I mean, I grew up watching it with my dad, so, you know, I have my favorites.
Yep.
Yeah.
So we're about to travel to a new planet, and I get to take one additional passenger, extra cute, with me. And here we go again. Walking through. Pretty awesome. The walls are down. And look at this. There's not 100 billion people right here. I mean, I know the land is obviously farther in, but I figured it would be chaotic trying to get through here. 100 billion people taking photos of the same thing. It's unbelievable. Everyone has a camera now, and I'm one of them. Now, the last time I was here, I didn't really get to see any of this. Wow. It's pretty awesome. And you can get a Millennium Falcon model kit with lights and sounds for $29.99. And I know everybody likes those water fans. Well, these are the Black Spire Outpost water fans that you can get here at Galaxy's Edge. How cool are these? Let's see what the price is on that. $20.65, and it's very light. Like, that is super lightweight. Now, I know when you put the water in it, it'll be different, but it's pretty cool. Still just can't get over the ships. It's awesome. You can just walk up and take a look. What do you think so far?
It's really cool. It's really cool. I mean, I still miss Streets of America.
Yeah.
But it's a really cool land. We haven't gotten too far in, so.
No, we're right at the beginning.
It's cool to see Chewie and Rey walk around. It gives me a lot of Disneyland vibes.
Yeah.
As far as that, but it's cool. It's a cool little land.
We're gonna head into the marketplace area and see just how crazy it is. This is the first Saturday this is open. A little different than the preview, right, guys? A lot more bodies and more things happening, but it feels like a real marketplace. Is he behaving today?
He is. He's been a little mischievous, but not too bad altogether. Yeah. One of his friends over there wanted to join us earlier.
Oh.
Jump over to us.
Oh, really?
So they have been acting up just a little bit, but for the most part, they've been behaving today.
Very good. Are you camera shy? Hi. Bright Suns. Hi, how are you?
I'm good. This is Jimmy.
Jimmy.
Yes.
Hi, Jimmy. You're not camera shy at all.
No, he loves attention.
That's awesome. Bright Suns, Jimmy. And here it is, the Millennium Falcon. And Abby's first chance to see it.
It's really cool. It's definitely like, it feels real.
It feels real? Yeah. It feels like you're on a different planet with the clouds and stuff. And look at the rock work. It's amazing, isn't it? It's beautiful. Yeah, and to think that this area over here was like Lights Motors action area.
Oh, I know, it's weird. they did a good job.
They did, and you can see inside the control area over here. It's really awesome. Now this is the line. Standby is at 80 minutes right now. And it's going out and all the way around here. And it is 11:20 right now. So not terrible. And they're still taking single riders. So that's awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, the crowds are a little busy through this area near Ogo's Cantina, but right here, that's the end of the line right there for Millennium Falcon. That is the end of the line right over here. 80 minutes currently says. So I had the blue milk, so you're gonna try the green milk.
Is that what we're doing?
I guess. Are we gonna get the blue milk?
We'll get the green.
Okay.
The green, yeah. I heard that the green wasn't everybody's favorite, but we'll try it.
All right.
Okay, yeah.
So the end of the line is right over here. So this is the current line right now to get blue or green milk. It's not a terribly long line. Way different than a preview. But hey, it's the first Saturday. The weather is decent. It's a little cloudy. The sun is out. But it's not as crazy as I thought. Oh well, I didn't notice this last time. I guess this is where they make the blue and green milk. And I didn't notice last time either that there's blue and green up top. I guess that's supposed to be the blue and green milk. Okay, we're gonna do green milk with no tequila. That's what we're gonna do. I did the blue milk last time. Wasn't a huge fan, but maybe the green milk will change my mind. We'll have to wait and see. Green milk is at hand. We're gonna try this. All right, Abs.
It's a moment of truth. I'm so nervous about getting it. Okay. I don't hate it. Like, I was like expecting to hate it. Same with Beverly. Everybody doesn't like Beverly, but I don't mind it. So I'm guessing that's why I probably don't mind this. I don't even know what it tastes like though. I know exactly what it tastes like. It tastes like a melted. It tastes exactly like. This is such a weird description. Okay, when you get done with a popsicle stick that's on like a wooden stick and you lick the wooden stick, that's literally what it tastes like. It tastes like the wooden stick from a popsicle stick.
So it has wood, like wood flavor in it, or aroma of wood?
It does, and if you like, do you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's literally what it tastes like.
Let me try. That's exactly what it tastes like.
Isn't it bizarre?
It tastes like the last remains of a popsicle, and you just lick the popsicle stick with green popsicle. Why does it taste like a popsicle stick? Weird. The weather has quickly shifted over here. Got some dark clouds rolling in, but it adds to the ambiance here for sure. Just notice these tops of these light bulbs are droids. It's all made from different pieces of droids. And that makes sense because there's a ton of droids over here. Now I'm gonna head inside the droid factory and show Abby this place for the first time. What's up, R2? That's amazing. I want to take him home with me. You want to come home with me? No? Oh, come on. I have cookies. I have cookies. No? All right. I'll come see you next week and I'll ask you again. If you're curious about that R2, he's $25,000. Really do enjoy this place. It's a little hectic in here, but really do enjoy it. And I wish this guy would go home with me. You want to go home with me and Abby? Yeah, we'll take you home. Abby, what do you think?
Yeah, he'd be a great addition to our family.
He would be a great addition. They're just so cute. I just love droids. Yeah, darker clouds or just clouds in general definitely add to the ambiance of Galaxy's Edge. It's pretty neat looking with the different clouds, and it brings out a lot more of the distressed look of this land. And they have a little water station set up here, which is nice, right?
Yeah, it's hot in Florida for Batuu, so you have to stay hydrated. There
is a bit of a breeze here today, though, so this is rather nice for a change. I mean, you can see it's starting to move around some of the lights. How did that helicopter get to this planet? So we were looking at the numbers on the trash can here, and Abby figured it out.
They're the numbers from the trash compactor that Luke, Leia, and Han got stuck on the Death Star.
In Star Wars,
yeah.
A New Hope.
Yes.
Wow.
Very cool.
Don't be fooled by this wolf or bear. It's just an umbrella because it is starting to rain here.
Yes.
It wasn't a heavy rain, it's more of a light sprinkle or drizzle. Nonetheless, there are lots of places to hide out from rain. As you can see, we are completely covered right now. Hopefully this rain will cool things down a little bit. It'll probably do the exact opposite, make everything super steamy, but the breeze was nice earlier. But it's a little afternoon right now, and as you can see, the marketplace isn't as crazy as I thought it would be. Maybe it's because of the rain right now, starting to pick up just a bit. So right here they have some land speeders, some speeder bikes. But right over here on the side, if you look, there's 3 little letters on the side in Arabic, and it says LMA, Lights, Motors, Action. You guys see it? Let's see if I can get a closer look. Right there. Lights, Motors, Action. A little Disney Hollywood Studios history trivia for you guys. And if you're curious about the noise, it's these fans they have put up in the land. It does help, but they are loud. Feel good? Well, the rain has let up. Clouds are still here. And we're gonna continue. I believe we're gonna go over, try and get some food. And I said we'd be back, and we are. We're gonna be going to Docking Bay 7, Food and Cargo. Wow, look at this. We didn't get to come in here during the preview, and I'm glad I waited because the line is not as long as the preview, which is kind of weird. But this, it's gonna be exciting. You see anything on the menu that looks pretty tasty?
I mean, I could always go for some macaroni and cheese, but I think for the occasion, I'll do this.
Tip-yip. In Dorian, tip-yip. They have the smoked ribs. Corn muffin and cabbage slaw, wow. Now, I saw this noodle salad, that sounds pretty good.
The kids yip-yip. Yip-tip.
This is the kids' tip-yip. The macaroni, is that a slaw?
This is broccoli.
Oh, broccoli.
Yep.
Chicken.
And,
macaroni and cheese.
Yeah.
And this is the famous spork that everyone's been stealing and selling on eBay. Don't steal these things, guys. This is why we can't have nice things. So I went with the Ronto wrap because I really didn't see anything on the menu that I liked. And this is the cup that they put your Diet Coke in. It's Smuggler's run time. And Travis is riding with us. He's back.
I'm back, baby. We're gonna go smuggling on a run.
What are we smuggling? Runs?
Order conversation anyway. Aha! Another group of flight candidates.
We're back again. And got pilot. And this will be Travis's first time doing pilot. What are you doing?
bring him the gunner.
The gunner.
Gunner runner.
He's a heavy hitter.
This is so cool.
Welcome. Right in this way, my friends. Come closer.
Oh, heck yeah. All right. You ready, Abby?
You better be faster when we get to the green
Push your button, Abby. You gotta push both
Right,
of them.
pilot, push the flashing button to take off.
All right, we're taking off.
Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the
Oh! That was my bad.
weapons are online. Left pilot. Hit the booster.
Wow.
Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed.
Oh my gosh.
Do it, Micah.
Yes! Amazing! Oh, that's so cool.
There's the train. Yes! Yes! Keep shooting! They've locked on to us.
Oh!
Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse.
Oh no! Oh no!
Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Power up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get
Line it up, Travis.
the train. Flight engineers,
Line it in.
fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. Yes, keep mashing those controls.
Get it, Abby!
Get it!
Oh!
Keep shooting. I think I will let you tell the movie. Hold on. Things are getting hard. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry.
Oh! Oh no! Oh no!
Collapsing. Left pilot. Hit the boosters. Boost. Boost. Boost.
Boost!
Oh, grab it!
We did not die. Let's get out of here.
Here we go! Pulling it back! Woo! That's so awesome! Whoa, Travis, watch out!
I'm turning. I feel like it's an autopilot.
Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieve
We're back
container of
to Batuu.
coaxium. This would greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud.
That was awesome, just as fun as last time. So, what did you think?
It was really cool. I think that watching you was a little bit more fun than actually riding the ride itself. You and Travis piloting.
Well, we are two characters.
Yes, you are. But it's a really fun interaction. I don't know if I would wait 80 minutes for it again.
Yeah. Not 80 minutes
yeah,
for
if you have a fast pass for sure.
Yeah.
Take advantage. It's a cool ride. I think Rise of the Resistance is going to be a good ride.
Yes, that's the one I'm looking forward to.
Yeah. But
All right.
it's a cool addition. It's a cool addition.
And I did offer her to be the pilot. She said no, so
Yeah, he was a gentleman.
I did offer.
That is affirmative. Wait.
And this never gets old. Love this area. The First Order area. You see the banner over there. The weather has cleared up. Still have some clouds, but nice little breeze. It's not terrible out here. Well, that's gonna do it for Galaxy's Edge. As you guys can see, it's a little after 1 o'clock. Crowds are not as crazy as I thought, and the weather has cleared up so far with the hurricane still on its way. But we're gonna move over now to the rest of Hollywood Studios just for a quick bit. So this is interesting. During the preview, this area was not open. Over here, they had this blocked off. So right here is Galaxy's Edge, and then panning over to the right, you can see Toy Story Land. There's Buzz Lightyear, right there. I mean, they both revolve around space. Now we are in Toy Story Land. Not a whole lot of people here. It's very open. This is like the most open I've seen Toy Story Land in quite some time. Plus they opened this back area up. I've never gotten to see this. Sugar Frosted Lassos. A little Jessie inspired cereal. Oh, you can join the Stinky Pink fan club. It's free. Slinky Dog's only a 45-minute wait. It's not as long as it's been. Still not super short. Got some army men coming through. It's always a good time to see them. If you were trying to come and take photos in front of the former home of the Great Movie Ride, today is the day. There is currently no one out here in the handprint courtyard. It's pretty crazy to see. I mean, obviously there's no ride going on, but most people are here taking photographs of these famous handprints and autographs, but there's not a soul in sight. And there are people passing through. Not as crowded as I thought it was gonna be. You guys can hear the sounds from the Star Wars show happening right over there in the front courtyard. But with the hurricane within the next couple of days coming close to Florida, I'm sure it's making other people not really want to visit the parks. Even though Star Wars Land just opened and this is the first weekend it is officially opened, sometimes weather can push people away from coming to the theme parks. Well, you guys, I think we did it. I think we saw everything I wanted to see here today at Disney's Hollywood Studios and at Galaxy's Edge for the first weekend after its opening, which means it's time to say goodbye. If you would like to support my channel, please visit my Patreon page at patreon.com/worldofmicah. We're donating $1 a month can help fund episodes just like this. I had a lot of fun checking out Galaxy's Edge today, riding the Millennium Falcon, Smuggler's Run, eating there and checking out some of the merchandise and showing you guys some of the crowd levels, wait times, and just what the overall land looks like for its very first Saturday being open. Looking forward to the future of Galaxy's Edge and further things developing and opening up. It'll be here before we know it. And for those of you who are living in Central Florida during the hurricane, stay safe, be prepared. But as we can see every day, the hurricane changes the way it's going. And right now, the last update, it's not even gonna touch Central Florida. It's just gonna be going right up the side of the coast on the east side, heading north, which is a good thing. If you haven't yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button because, hey, it's free. It will keep you updated with my latest video. I'll see you on the next episode of World of Mike, everybody. Until then, stay weird. Goodbye.